Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can see your login activity on Instagram. Now login activity means if you have logged in on your Instagram from other device or from any location, it's going to be saved on your login activity. So it's basically a history of your login, alright? So let me show you how you guys can see that. So you guys can see if somebody else is accessing your account or not. Now before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel with notification on. And let's move on. So first thing what you want to do is after you open Instagram, click on your Instagram profile at the bottom right of your screen. Now this will take you to your Instagram profile. Now once you're in your Instagram profile, the other thing you want to do is click on the three line at the top. Now once you click on the three line at the top, it's going to show you all these options. From all these options, you want to click on versus setting. And once you do that, it'll take you to the setting page of your Instagram. Once you're in the setting page at the top, you can see this option called search. You want to click on search and just write login. Once you search for login, it's going to show you login activity. And that is what we want to check. So we will click on that. And once we click on it, it'll take you to this place, which is going to show you all the place where you have logged in on your Instagram. So it shows me the location and the date over here, as you guys can see. So just like this over here, you can know like where you have logged in from, and you can check if somebody is accessing your account from any other location. So that's how you guys can see your login activity on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys in my future video. Until next time, bye bye and have a nice day.